Section 1.5 is ratios, rates, and conversions. Our goal is to use units as a way to understand problems and to guide the solution of problems. Choose and interpret units consistently. Choose and interpret the scale and the origin in graphs and data displays. On page 37, we have a ratio compares two numbers by division. The ratio of two numbers A and B, where B does not equal 0, can be written in three ways: A over B, A to B, and A to B. For every A units of one quantity, you have B units of another quantity. You can also think of a ratio as a multiplicative relationship. For example, if the ratio of the number of boys to the number of girls in a class is 2:1, then the number of boys is 2 times the number of girls. A ratio that compares quantities measured in different units is called a rate. A rate with a denominator of 1 unit is a unit rate. In the Solvit, you can express each athlete's speed as the number of meters traveled per 1 second of time. This is an example of a unit rate. You can write ratios and find unit rates to compare quantities. You can also convert units and rates to solve problems. Example 1 says you are shopping for t-shirts. Which store offers the best deal? So we have store A is $25 for 2 shirts. Store B is $45 for 4 shirts, and store C is $30 for 3 shirts. We're going to use unit rates to figure out how much 1 shirt would cost at each of these stores. At store A, it costs $25 for 2 shirts. So if we divide 25 by 2, we can figure out how much 1 shirt would cost at store A. Store B is $45 for 4 shirts. So if we divide 45 by 4, we can figure out the price of 1 shirt at store B. Store C is $30 for 3 shirts, so if we divide 30 by 3, we can figure out the price of 1 shirt at store C. Store A gives us $12.50 for 1 shirt, store B is $11.25 for 1 shirt, and store C is $10 for 1 shirt. So the best deal would be store C with $10 per shirt. All of the work for this problem is typed up on the next few pages. And here is the first you try. Trisha ran 10 kilometers in 2.5 hours. Jason ran 7.5 kilometers in 2 hours, and Olga ran 9.5 kilometers in 2.25 hours. Who had the fastest average speed? So you're trying to figure out who went the furthest in the least amount of time.